Well, what the hell are we doing spending all our time trying to get more HVAC clients when we could just go after the generator sub niche and go after it hard? And then once we started doing that, amount of money we're making from PVC just kept going up and up and up. So look at everything you're doing, find the most profitable thing you're doing out of all the products and services you sell, and just sell that. And not only that, double down on it. Generate, in this particular client's case, we couldn't do it, but if it were me, and that were my business, and I mentioned this to them, I would start selling other brands. Why? So that you can start showing up for people that are looking for the other brands as well, not just Generac installer, but other people looking for installers of other brands of generator systems.